Hey guys, welcome back. This is Can We Connect Zoom with Convertkit. So guys, to answer your question, the answer is yes. So guys, I made this table over here in order for you to connect it. So just simply go to Zapier. And after that, if you don't have a Zapier, just simply set up a Zapier account and just simply create one. And now in the Zapier dashboard, just simply go ahead and click on create a Zap on the left side of the screen. And from there, just simply select ConvertKit and Zoom from the list of the applications. And now once you have two selected, just simply go ahead and enter your ConvertKit account details and connect by inputting the API key from the ConvertKit. So in order for you to go find the API key, just simply go to the ConvertKit and just simply go to the settings and ConvertKit. And after that, just simply go to the top right corner on your profile and go to the settings. And after that, just simply go to the developer on the left side and you should be able to see there the API key and just simply go ahead and copy it. And after that, just simply enter. And once you have done that, just simply click on the Zoom as well to connect your Zoom and just simply sign in into your Zoom account and just simply connect your account into Zapier. And after that, just simply go ahead and choose the triggers and actions that you want. So pretty much this will be depending on you and just simply provide all of the necessary information on the trigger and action that you prefer. And once you set it up, guys, just simply go ahead and click on publish so you can activate your Zap and you should be able to connect them. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe and thanks for watching.